Is your rental bathroom stuck in the past? Outdated tiles, yellow lights, and zero personality? You don't have to live with it, and you don't have to break the lease either. In this video, we're showing you a full bathroom makeover that's completely renter-friendly. No drilling, no painting, and no damage. Just smart upgrades that are easy to install and remove when it's time to move out. Let's get into it. 1. Start fresh. Deep clean and declutter. Before anything else, clean like crazy. Scrub the grout, wipe every surface, and toss out expired products. A deep clean instantly makes even the most outdated bathroom feel newer. Then declutter. Remove anything you don't use daily. A tidy space always feels more high-end. 2. Swap out harsh lighting. Lighting makes a huge difference, and most rental bathrooms have cold, unflattering bulbs. Here's what you do. Replace the bulbs with soft white or warm LED lights. No wiring needed, just unscrew and switch. Want extra glow? Add LED vanity strips around your mirror with adhesive backing. Totally removable and game-changing. 3. Temporary mirror upgrade. Hate that builder-grade mirror? No problem. You can cover it with a peel-and-stick mirror frame kit, or hang a stylish framed mirror using command hooks or removable mounting strips. It adds charm and can be taken down in seconds when you move out. 4. Removable shower upgrades. A dingy shower curtain can drag down the whole space. Swap it for a fresh, luxury-look curtain linen texture, waffle weave, or a bold pattern. Next, upgrade the shower head. Most screw off easily and can be replaced with a spa-style head. Just keep the old one to reinstall later. And for that final touch, add a tension rod shelf in the corner for sleek, rust-proof storage. No screws, no drilling. 5. Stick-on tiles and wallpaper? Yes, please. Want to hide ugly tiles or that beige wall color? Try peel-and-stick wall panels or removable wallpaper. There are even waterproof vinyl tiles made specifically for bathrooms. They're easy to cut, easy to apply, and they peel off clean when you're done. Pro tip: focus on one accent wall or the backsplash to keep it simple and budget-friendly. 6. Window fixes without drilling. Got an old or bare bathroom window? You don't need to drill into the frame. Use a tension rod to hang a stylish sheer curtain or roller shade. For privacy, you can also apply frosted window film. It sticks with static cling, not glue, and peels off damage-free. 7. Add stylish, functional storage. Rental bathrooms often lack storage, so here's how to fix that without any tools. Use over-the-toilet shelving units. Freestanding, no screws. Add stick-on wall baskets or organizers. Hang removable hooks for towels, robes, or baskets. Use a rolling cart for daily essentials, stylish and mobile. Keep it looking tidy by using matching baskets or containers for a clean, coordinated vibe. 8. Style it like a spa. Here's where your bathroom really comes to life: style. Add a small plant or two, fake or real, depending on light. Place a tray on the counter with rolled hand towels, a candle, and a small vase. Add a wooden bath mat or stone-look mat for that natural feel. Use neutral tones, soft fabrics, and warm textures to bring in those spa vibes. 9. Art that won't damage the walls. Yes, you can hang art without nails. Use command strips or lean framed prints against the wall on a floating shelf. You can even tape up a mini gallery wall using washi tape or removable putty. Choose prints with calming themes, minimalist line drawings, coastal photos, or abstract watercolors work great. 10. Final touches that make it yours. To finish it off, swap out a few basic items: matching soap dispensers and toothbrush holders, a new plush bath rug, coordinated towels in neutral or bold colors, scented candles or essential oil diffusers. These little swaps make your bathroom feel custom and cozy without touching the permanent fixtures. You don't have to settle just because you rent. Your bathroom doesn't have to be boring just because it's a rental. With a few smart swaps and zero damage upgrades, you can create a space that's beautiful, functional, and totally you. And when it's time to move, just pack it all up and leave the space exactly as you found it. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. Which of these renter-friendly upgrades are you trying first?